What's going on, adventurers? TJ here with Venturhaus, and I'm going to show you this awesome modular transit build that just rolled out of the shop. This is a Ford Transit 148 with our modular van system. Come on inside and let's check it out. Now this van's layout is unique. It's not your classic kitchen on the side, bed in the back layout. This client has really chosen to utilize our modular system as much as they can. So there's a lot of different ways to configure this van, and keep in mind that what we're looking at is just one layout. So their primary use case is a family that likes to adventure. They want to get outside, they want to do it with their kids' friends, and they want to have room for gear and room for everybody to get ready. So that's where these awesome double bench seats come into play. These seats also swivel, which makes for a really unique layout opportunity. We can slide it forward, begin rotating it, and then slide it back. Now have seats that face out the door, perfect for getting your ski boots on or getting ready to go out for a bike ride. And just like that, we're ready to get on the road again. Up above the seat, we have one of our 2-tier overhead cabinets. This has 2 doors, allows you good access for storage. Also has a light built into the bottom that mounts to our modular system track. You can move that anywhere in the upper section of the van. We have our 44-inch sconce light. A nice way to add some mood lighting to a build. Then here in the back we have our charging station module. This is going to plug into your quick connect low voltage port and allowing you to charge your devices via USB-C and A, and then also store those devices right next to the charger, along with some cord organizing hooks on the far side here. On the passenger side of the van, we're going to have 2 Van Essential 48-inch cabinets. These are nice big cabinets, provide a lot of storage room, and they're great with soft sides. You get lots of zipper pockets. You're going to get a bunch of these daisy chain loops to clip things to. There's also pockets on the sides of these. Lots of storage, great for families and people that need a lot of space. You'll also see tucked to the side here, if you're familiar with our builds, you know what this is. This is a Van Wife Components modular bed system. It's a platform style bed system that goes across the van and allows you to set up different types of seating, beds, different configurations for remote work, sleeping, socializing, you name it. This bed is very modular and useful. In the back here behind the seats, we're going to have our all-in-one sink module. This is going to be a simple module that contains a sink in the middle. It's our regular pop-up sink. And then underneath, you have gray water and fresh water. On the back, just under this flip-up table, there's actually a spray port for a shower connection. So this one module provides you a space to do your dishes, prepare a meal. It also allows you to connect up that sprayer, spray off the gear, spray off the dog, whatever you gotta do to keep things clean outside the van before they come inside. The very back, we have a toilet module here. This is our standard toilet module. It's got a flip up top, flip down front. If you've seen our tours, you know what that's about. Now to keep all of these systems powered, we have our passenger side utility tube. That's going to be our most compact off-grid electrical system, containing 300 amp hours of lithium battery capacity with built-in inverter, solar charge controller, and DC to DC alternator charging. So that's a complete off-grid system down there. On the back, you're going to have your DC and AC distribution panel, providing breakers and fuses to all of the services in this build. Overhead, we're going to see ProBreeze vent fan. These are an awesome new vent fan on the market. They have a built-in blackout shade that allows you to keep the light out while you're sleeping in the morning. It's going to come with the remote, tons of different speeds, blows air in, sucks air out. It also has a built-in rain shield. In the front, we have our Velit air conditioner. This is a 12-volt air conditioner that runs off-grid, native on the low voltage power. Normally our fans in the front, our AC is in the back by default. In this build we decided to bring the AC up front to give the passengers some rear cooling direct to where they're sitting. Modular system table mount there. We have a second table mounted to the B pillar, and you can see that by mounting tables there, you can turn this whole area into a dinette. Very easy. We have a couple table options to choose from. You mount those up, swivel the front seats, and all of a sudden this area comes alive as a place to socialize. We have a window with built-in screen and shade. That's going to be a slider window that opens halfway. In the very front, we have a White Top Adventures headliner shelf. These are great for storing anything bulky up front, adding a little bit more storage space to the van. Coming around to the outside of the van, we have the Owl Alpine Ski Box. This is their largest carrier they offer. It's great for people that want to get out and ski with their family. You can see the Transit Trail comes stock with some oversized wheels and tires, running boards, big fenders, running lights, the cool grill. We added on this TerraWagon hood spoiler. Just gives you a little bit more air deflection to keep rock chips off the hood. And then of course up top we got the Venturhaus roof rack. So if you're looking to get outside with your family, consider the Venturhaus modular system. It's a flexible foundation that you then can customize with our modules and outfit to your personalized needs. You can see that this client really did that well here, figuring out what their family's needs were, getting the right modules in here, and then getting that put together in a way that was going to function for years to come. And that's what we did on the design and build side here at Venturhaus Vans in Evergreen, Colorado. Check out our website or our Instagram to learn more.